Are you looking for the best hole saw kit? In this video, we will break down the top 4 hole saw kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. SNGATOR Bimetal Hole Saw Kit. This hole saw kit offers a 14-piece hole. You'll get 10 hole saws from 3/4 to 2.5 inches that will cover many of the sizes you should need. Also included are 2 mandrels, a mandrel adapter, a spare pilot bit, and a hard plastic case for easier organization and storage. The kit has sharp teeth which are perfect for hole cutting on metal, wood, PVC board, plastic, and drywall. Clean and smooth cut, high precision. Cutting depth varies from 43 mm to 50 mm according to different sizes. The kit includes 10 hole saws 3/4 inches, 7/8 inches, 1/1/8 inches, 1/3/8 inches, 1/2 inches, 1/3/4 inches, 2 inches, 2/1/8 inches, 2/1/4 inches, 2/2 inches for needs in different situations. Overall, everything in this kit is well organized in a solid plastic case, great for storage after use, and easy carrying out for work, free of worry about losing small parts in the kit after handling. At number 2. DIABLO DHS14 SGP Hole Saw Set. This new, high-performance hole saw set delivers faster cutting performance and increased productivity versus standard bimetal hole saws. This set includes a heavy-duty, durable case for easy and convenient storage of hole saws. This bimetal hole saw is able to cut to a depth of 2/3/8 inches in a single pass while simultaneously providing a faster cut in hard materials. It uses a snap lock plus mandrel system complete with adapters for universal compatibility and fast, toolless plug removal. This is an excellent, fast cutting set that provides clean, straight holes. Able to handle a wide range of materials, this set includes the snap lock plus mandrel with a 5/8 inches threaded adapter, 1/2 inches threaded adapter, and pilot bit, plus 10 bimetal saw heads. Well, what do you think of our first 2 hole saw kit? If you have any comments or questions, feel free to write them in the comment box. We love to read your reviews and we'll do our best to answer your questions. If you're not yet a member of our channel, please subscribe to the button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 3. METERK Hole Saw Set. This hole saw kit is made of heat-treated and blackening-treated carbon steel, boosting performance, rust protection, and durability. It's ideal for cutting through softwood, plastic plate, and thin PVC boards. This hole saw kit includes 2 pieces mandrels, 1 PC installation plate, 1 PC hex key, and 13 pieces saw blades. The maximum size is 6 inches, the minimum is 3/4 inches, which can satisfy your different needs. The kit comes with 2 mandrels, an installation plate, a hex key, and more, a complete set of everything you need to get started on your DIY work. There is also an upgraded design with ultra-sharp serrations for faster and cleaner cutting, which is ideal for softwood, plastic plate, plasterboard, and thin PVC board. Mind that, not suit for hard metal, hard wood, density board. At number 4. GREENLEE 660 Carbide Cutter Hole Making. This hole saw set has 6 pieces, consisting of 5 cutter heads ranging in size from 0.87 inches to 2 inches. Plus, there's a spring-loaded pilot drill to make removing the slug easier. This kit is constructed from steel with carbide tipped teeth for optimum performance, and a cobalt steel pilot. It also comes with a quick change auger for when you need to swap to another size cutter head. This stainless steel hole cutter set cuts stainless steel quickly and easily. Quick change arbor allows you to change cutter heads with a simple push and a turn. You can use the same arbor for different size cutting heads. Quick change stainless steel hole cutter kit 7/8 inch, 1 1/8 inch, 1 3/8 inch, 1 3/4 inch, and 2 inches.